Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My today's video will be a review on Maybelline Master Contour Palette. But before starting the video, take some time and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time when I'll upload a new video. Don't forget to check the description box after the video. All the details regarding the product will be mentioned in the description box. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. So this is Maybelline Master Contour Palette. This one is in shade number 10 for light to medium skin tone. This comes in 3 shades. So this has a contour, a blush and a highlighter shade. This comes in a nice quality plastic container. So on the back side of the container, the ingredient list is mentioned. This retails for 999 rupees and you get 10 grams of the product. So the container is really tiny, you can carry it anywhere you want. So I have this one in the shade number 10, which is for light to medium skin tone. The shades are really very subtle shades. If you're someone who does not like very hard highlighting, blush or contour, you can definitely try this palette. People with darker skin shades need to buy the other shades of this palette. So when you open this, there are these 3 shades in the palette. So there is a good quality brush applicator by which you can easily apply these products. The applicator works really well. The hairs of the brush are really soft. If you talk about the pigmentation, the swatch of these on my hand does not look that these are very pigmented. But when you apply it on your face, you just need a tiny quantity and you're good to go with your contour, blush and highlight. People with fair skin tone must try this product. This will give you such a natural finish that you won't even feel that you've applied anything like this. So this was all about today's video. If you enjoyed it, then like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.